Love can survive distance. Love can survive poverty. Love can even survive small misunderstanding. But when trust is damaged, everything starts shaking. Because trust is not just a relationship nice to have. Trust is the foundation. And once the foundation cracks, even small issues feel like big threats. So in today's episode, we are talking about why it takes time for a woman to trust, why one mistake can destroy years, and how a man can repair trust with actions, not sweet talk. Trust is simple. It is when someone feels safe with you, safe with your words, safe with your loyalty, safe with your decisions, safe with your consistency. And many women don't give trust quickly because they have seen life. They've watched promises break. They've heard lies before. They've seen men change after getting comfortable. So when she finally trusts you, it means you become a safe place in her heart. That is big. A woman tells her man something private, something painful, something she never told anyone, and it comforts her. It listens, promises, I will never use this against you. Months later, during that argument, he gets angry and says, see, that is why you are like this. That is why your life is messed up. And the moment he says that, her heart closes. Not because she's weak, but because the place she thought was safe became dangerous. And that is how trust breaks. Sometimes it is not even cheating. Sometimes it is disrespect, secrecy, dishonesty, or betrayal of confidence. Here is the trust. Trust is built through small, consistent behaviors, and trust is destroyed through one major betrayal or many small betrayals. Small betrayals like promising to call but disappearing, trying to avoid trouble, hiding messages, changing stories, making her feel foolish for asking questions. Because when your actions don't match your words, trust doesn't die immediately. Bleed slowly. So how do we repair trust when we messed up? Own it, open up, prove it. If you truly want to rebuild trust, stop defending your mistake, because excuses don't heal pain. When you say, it is because of you, it is because I was stressed, it is because I didn't mean it, it sounds like I'm not really sorry. I'm just sorry you find out. Instead, own it clearly. I was wrong. I hurt you. You didn't deserve that. This is the first bricks in rebuilding trust. A real apology has accountability. Trust cannot grow in darkness. So when trust is damaged, transparency is needed. That means answer question calmly. Don't get angry when she needs clarity. Don't punish her for trying to feel safe again, because after betrayal, the brain becomes alert. Her mind will ask, is it happening again? Can I believe him? Am I safe? So instead of saying, why are you still talking about it? Say, I understand why you are asking. Let's talk. Transparency is not being controlled. Transparency is rebuilding safety. Here is where many people fail. They apologize today, then go back to the same behavior tomorrow. But trust is not repaired by one emotional speech. Trust is repaired by consistent change over time. So if you lied, prove honesty. If you disappeared, prove consistency. If you disrespected her, prove gentleness. If you eat things, prove openness. Because actions are louder than flowers, louder than tears, louder than baby, I love you. The real apology is change behavior. Let me say this carefully. If she trusted you and you broke it, you don't get to set the healing timeline. So don't say, just move on. Forget it. Why are you still hurt? Healing takes time. Sometimes she forgive you, but her heart still needs proof. So be patient, because trust returns slowly, one safe moment at a time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.